Hello guys, welcome to Now the Academy. So today we are talking about in English. You can watch my two videos about in how I speak in English. Okay, so this video is also to I can express myself in English. I'm not good in fluent English, but I can try to speak English. You also can try it. Okay, so if you can learn English, you can start thinking in English. It means you can not speak, you cannot thought uh, in your mind uh, in Hindi or whatever your local language. Don't worry, you can start at it in English. You are thinking in English, then you can start to speak it. Just like if you want you want book, you can imagine that I want a book. I go there, I came from here. Then everything is you can start it. Just like me, you can everything you can start it in thinking, then speak it. You can speak also your own self. I also started to speak myself at anywhere. At my free time I can speak with myself. uh, I can speak myself at alone. I say I am very grateful to I can speak English just like, but my English was not good, but I can understand. I can understand myself. I can speak it. I can say everything. Just like here is book, here is a pen, there is a door. Then I go there and open the door and I can go from them. Then I can come here. Just like that. It doesn't mean ski. It doesn't mean you are English is a fluent. You can start it. That means you are speak very well. If you don't start, then nothing is happen. Okay, so start it first, then you can speak anything at your mind. Just like me, I can start a video and I can speak with you anything. It no sense to I can say anything. It's no sense, but I can speak it in English to improve myself, and I can teach my students and uh, you also to how you speak yourself. You have only one thing, that is your confidence. You can start it and speak it. Don't worry, no one can judge you. No one have a time to judge you. Judge you, you are judging yourself. But don't worry, you can start it. Your confidence will start it. You can record like me, just like I can record this video. So everyone can also watch this video, but I can improve it. I can improve it and I can improve. You also check it, my English word better than my previous video. Okay, so you can start, you can speak, and you can improve. Okay, so uh, you can just record yourself. You are record voice or a video. If you if you have a fear to record in video, you can start with normal voice recording. If you comfortable, you can start with um, normal recording, just like me. If you can start, if you don't have a mobile or a video, it's maybe you have a mobile, but you can start with like just a mirror. You can at alone, you can speak anything. Anything you know, you can speak it. Just like me, you can teach it in English. You can start it with normal words. You can say just like hello, hi, good morning. That's like a simple words. And you can start with because, just like in Hindi, that means kyuki, right? You can say we are, um, it is, she is. Just like you can start it. Okay, so you start it, forget it. No one can judge you. You can start and speak like me. uh, okay, so um, start it. Okay, thank you so much to watch my video. and I can started this video, and this is third video I can speak in English. You also follow our channels. Okay, subscribe and share, likes, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Okay, thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.